Hi, my name is Fantozzi, and I'm here with your weather for the day. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Today will consist of partly cloudy skies with a high of 68 and a low of 57. Friday will feature scattered thunderstorms with a high of 82 and a low of 62. And Saturday will feature partly cloudy skies again with a high of 77 and a low of 53. Thanks, and on to the next segment.
Hi, how are ya? I'm Levin, here with a new gardening tip for today. So today we will be doing high density planting. That means that there are going to be a lot of seeds in this small pot. Over here you can see that our germination has been successful. I have already prepared the soil. This is just some basic potting soil mixed with peat moss and some plant food. This is Vigoro. I'm just going to make some holes, and we are just going to start taking these one by one and putting it root side up. So now that these are all planted, we can just take some basic water and go and pour it all over. Don't want to do too much, but luckily this plant will be able to take it. That's it for me. Now off to the next segment.
Hello Penridge, welcome to episode 6 of Garage Facts. Now, I got the inspiration for this topic because I was sitting in my kitchen eating Oreos, as one does, and it hit me. Do you know the percent of cookie to cream in an Oreo? Do you know if double stuffed Oreos are actually twice the cream? Me neither. Let's get into it. First things first, the biggest lie of human existence. Double stuffed Oreos do not in fact include twice the cream. Double stuffed Oreos include only 1.86 times the amount of cream compared to a normal Oreo. That is just upsetting. Secondly, the ratio of a cookie to cream in an Oreo is 71% cookie, 29% cream. I had no idea. Do you know that Oreo cookies are the best-selling cookie in the world, with more than 450 billion cookies sold since their creation in 1912, the same year the Titanic smacked an iceberg? Oreos have reached more than 100 different countries throughout the world. The most popular flavor in the US is original, but popular flavors differ throughout the world, including green tea ice cream in Japan, dulce de leche in Argentina, blueberry ice cream for Indonesia, and lastly, raspberry and blueberry in China. That's it for this episode. Now, off to the next segment.
Thanks, guys. I'm Evan, here with your announcements for the day. Student Council applicants, your applications are still due by Sunday, May 24th at 11:59 p.m. And seniors planning on attending Bucks this fall are invited to join the virtual Upper Bucks campus tour today at 3 p.m. You'll have the chance to meet and interact with the people who make the Upper Bucks campus a special place, and attend an information session and live chats from the comfort of your own home. And the class of 2020 is running an apparel sale until May 20th. 50% of the proceeds will be donated to Penridge Fish, and the other 50% will go directly towards your graduating class. Visit the link bit.ly/phsapparel2020 to order online and show your Penridge pride. Lastly, contest alert, the May library contest is on this week. Where in the library is Madrick? Simply visit the Penridge HSE Library Resources webpage and see how many Bitmojis you can find. Each page could have a different Bitmoji, like the one shown here. When you think you have found all of the Bitmojis, either email lmadrick@penridge.us or DM Penridge Library on Instagram or Twitter with the total number of Bitmojis and your first and last name. The best guess without going over wins an Amazon e-gift card. Entries will be accepted from now until Friday, May 15th until 3 p.m. That's it for us here at the Daily Ramble. Have a great day, Penridge. Stay safe.